Hello there, welcome back. So today I got this PT Cruise. Battery completely dead. Nothing from it. In the ignition, nothing. So I'm going to test it out. This jump box right here, guys. So right here, let me plug this wire in. So make sure I set it this way, guys. And plug it in. Alright. That's it. All the information on this side, guys. Also have an inverter on it. There we go. So let me hook it up now, guys, and see what's going on. Heavy duty. See if I can ground this find a ground somewhere. Let's see if I can get it under here. I don't want to do too much of any pulling down, or maybe it could go right here. Let me try it right here and see what it do. So I put the red on the positive right here, guys, and I put the grounds right here. So I'm gonna see if this one is strong enough for right here.
Boost.
Down here it's a boot, so I'm gonna press 12 volt.
Please start the car.
Alright. Right, crank right up, guys. Cut right off. Alright, so let me see, maybe the key. Okay. So now it's running, guys. Alright, remove this wire. So now cut off, so that simply means maybe have a bad alternator or battery or fuse. So that's why I crank it, guys. That's how it works. So if you find this video useful, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you.